Alright, we're going to show you today how to change the light bulb on the Volkswagen 2016 Golf. It's actually a really easy repair. So I got the hood up here. It's this headlight over here. You just pop off this little rubber gasket here, a little rubber cover. And then inside you've just got a little knob right here. You just turn that counterclockwise to loosen it. Pull it out. Then you just replace this by pulling off the light bulb, put in the new one, and then you just plug it right back in. And then once you put it back in, you just find the same spot it was. You might have to adjust it a little bit until it fits in. And you can check in the front to make sure you're going in. Right there you can see the bulb. Easy just to feed it in. Twist it clockwise. Put the cover back on. And then you are all set. And as you can see, light bulb's fully functional.